Here is a complete plastic recycling blender system designed for efficient material handling, precise batching, and consistent blending performance. The blender is equipped with an integrated weighing system. Load cells are installed at all 4 support points, allowing accurate weight control directly from the electrical panel. Materials are loaded into the tipper. Once activated, it automatically flips and discharges the material, reducing manual labor. The screw feeding system then transfers the material steadily, ensuring smooth and continuous input into the process. During operation, the system displays real-time weight on the control screen. Once the preset value is reached, the material is automatically discharged in reverse through the screw conveyor. Inside the blender, specially designed paddles ensure uniform mixing. A safety mechanical lock is included, allowing safe inspection and preventing accidental lid closure. The final stage shows the discharge through the twin screw conveyors, delivering blended material smoothly to the next process. Thank you for watching.